How to create videos with music and animation in Canva. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Canva application. Now, simply tap on this video icon. After that, you will get several templates. If you want to use the template, select any of the template and then you can change using your own video from your local device. Tap on the clip and then you will get an option of replacing the clip. After replacing the clip, I will use this clip for now, but if you want to use another clip, what you can do is simply add like this and then go to more and then upload your video to this clip. Going to upload files, then select your clip and it will appear over here. Go to more again and then you will get an option of animating and many more. In this navigation bar you will get an option of animate like this. You can animate your text, videos, you can create layers, change the position of your text or your entire video. You can go to more and then also detach video from background and many more. You can add the music using the volume button and add your own music to it as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.